10 months ago, I re-injured my neck. The original injury was 26 years ago, and I had since herniated numerous times in between, but 10 months ago was probably the worst it had ever been. Most of the time, I learned to live with the pain like they told me to do 26 years ago. So that's what I did. I just existed with the pain. My name is Pam, and I live on Lake Dubay. I love to garden. I love to go antiquing and then repurposing what I find. I love to play with my grandchildren. I used to love to go skiing until I hurt myself. Before I came here, I was having a lot of pain. I was unable to even lift a grocery bag without having severe pain. I couldn't lift grandkids. I couldn't help with my husband's business. I sat around and did nothing but feel sorry for myself. My doctor would not even do an MRI to see what was going on. They just kind of poo-pooed me. All they told me was, you don't need surgery. And I had seen the ads on TV, and I had talked to a few people that had been here. And I think the one person that convinced me, and she actually had done a testimonial, she said she could barely walk. And I met her at a greenhouse that she was working at. And she was picking up big cases of flowers and throwing them around like it was nothing. And she just couldn't say anything bad about this place. She just said it gave her life back. And I thought, you know what? That's what I need. I need my life back. I made the appointment for the consult, and I came in it with no false expectations. Within probably the first month, I was feeling really good already. I was still limiting what I was doing at home just so that I wouldn't hurt myself again. But I found that every day I could do a little bit more, and it didn't hurt as much, or the recovery period would only be a day instead of a week. And I started to feel like myself again. The combination of therapies that they use when you come here has really increased my mobility. I have movement that I haven't had for a very long time. The laser therapy that I receive every time that I come here is the one therapy that is minimizing my pain, where when I came in, it was probably maybe at a 80–90%. And I can honestly say I don't have pain anymore. I might be a little sore, but it's not pain. And I think the laser therapy is what's taking care of that. They're here for you. They've got your back. They're going to do whatever they possibly can for you. Not just trying to take away the physical pain, but also to, get you to feel like you're alive again. We laugh, and they're serious when they need to be, but we laugh all the time and tell jokes, and just, it feels like family, and I'll miss them when I don't have to come in anymore. Since I've come to Integrated Pain Solutions, my pain is gone. Expectations much higher than what I thought it would be. And I have my life back. And watch out, world, here I come.